Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can make up to $60 per hour by testing products online. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two websites that you can go to earn up to $60 per hour and maybe even more than that by testing out products, different apps, different websites online, and pretty much getting paid to give your thoughts. So I'm very excited for this video. This is the first time on my channel. If you are watching one of my videos for the very first time, I'm always putting out content about how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, different ways on how you can make money from home. If that is something that interests you and you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and tick the bell icon to be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So the very first site that I want to go over here is called testingtime.com, and this is one that I believe I may have mentioned in the past on this channel. But basically what you could do here is you could sign up to become a tester on testingtime.com, and basically what you'll be doing is you'll be testing products at home from Skype on your or on site with the customer. So basically you will be showcasing different products that are, of course, coming out. You will be, of course, communicating with the customer that is, of course, wanting to know, more about what the product has to offer. And it says here earn up to, I think that's 50 pounds per hour, which I believe in when you convert that to US dollars, it would be about $60, almost $60, in US dollars. And then, impact the products of tomorrow with your opinion. You are one of the first people to test these future products and have the opportunity to improve them. Take a break to try something new. We guarantee variety. So pretty much all you need to get started here is you just need to come to the site here. And I'm going to have both this site and the other site that I'm going to mention linked down in the description. So if you want to check these sites out for yourself and become a part of them, then you could absolutely go to the links and sign up on either Testing Time or the other one that I'm going to mention. But all you'll need to do to get started is enter your first name and email right here, and click the button that says I want to become a tester. So that is pretty much how you can get started there. If I scroll down a bit more, it's gonna talk more about what the site is all about. So you'll be earn money testing digital products. So in most cases, it's like in the form of different apps that are coming out, different websites, and that's pretty much the majority of what you'll be testing out here. And you will likely be communicating with someone via Skype or in person, and you're going to have a list of instructions to go through. So it's going to be, okay, visit this page right here, check out the home page, the about page, try setting up an account on the app right here. So it's going to be things like that they're going to have you go through those specific steps, just to make sure that just to kind of get an idea of what the product is all about, what the app is of course for. And then you, as the reviewer, have to be speaking your thoughts out loud as you are going along that exact process. So pretty much this is, of course, to for companies to see exactly what how they can, of course, improve their app, their website, how they can, of course, make it better. And as long as you are there to give your honest opinion, you talk about what could be improved upon, and you share your honest thoughts. This is ultimately what companies are looking for so that they can improve their app in the long term. So help shape the future of products you use, get first access to new apps and websites, share your experience, try something fun and different. I already kind of mentioned that there. They've got a video right here that pretty much goes over it. Looks like it might be in a different language. Let me play a little bit of that real quick. Okay, it looks like that's in a different language actually, but yeah, that's the video that I guess is supposed to explain what it's all about. But it looks like this is like an overseas company, but it talks about why you should join here. You could become a paid test user, and then that's pretty much the entire so how it works here is you sign up, you accept a test job, and the way that you get qualified for jobs is that your profile that you, of course, fill out will determine what type of jobs that you get. So usually you will get around like 1 or 2 jobs per week. Sometimes you may get more, sometimes you may get less, but as long as you fill out the questions, you pick times for the tests that fit your schedule, then opportunities to participate will of course show up, and you will most likely get notified through your email. So the email that you put in is where they will be, of course, sending you new information about new opportunities that are available. So it's very, very important that when you sign up for a site like this, you want to be checking your email on a regular basis. The more often you check your email and the faster you are when it comes to responding to new projects that are available, then the easier it is going to be for you to make money on testing time. So you take the test, you go through it, and each test that you take will take, on average, I'd say around, 15 minutes, maybe up to an hour. Some of them could go a little bit longer than that, but for the most part, it'll be about 15 minutes to an hour, and that will pay you about, about $60, per hour of work. So it's a very, very great way to earn some money online by testing out products. You test them out yourself, you share your thoughts, and you pretty much go through it there. And then once completed, you'll get paid within 10 days. And that's pretty much the entire process on how it works there. So all you have to do to get started is you just come to the site, testingtime.com. Again, I will include a link to this site down in the description. And all you have to do is just fill in your first name and your email. You click the button, I want to become a tester. And then you check the email that they will send you. You go through the process, you get signed up. They might have you take some sort of test, fill out your profile, things like that, of course, for you to, of course, get started and up and running. And then from there, all you would want to do is check your email on a regular basis and watch out for new opportunities that come into your inbox. So that is pretty much how testing time works there. The other site that I want to mention is called userlytics.com. And this one is very, very similar to testing time. You get paid to test websites and apps. It's primarily what they have here. So you just sign up, you click the sign up button by completing the short and easy form on this page and join our global community of user testers. Interact with a web or mobile app. So every test, it's either on your computer or they do have some tests that you could take, where you're reviewing like mobile apps on your phone. And then this one pays out via PayPal. So it doesn't seem to specify what payment method testing time is paying through, but on Userlytics, I know this one pays via PayPal. So you can be paid either $5, $10, $15, $20, or other amounts. And then it says some of them pay up to as $90 for having fun, expressing opinions while navigating the web. So again, you are going through different websites, going through different apps, you're navigating through the different pages, following instructions, and you're speaking your live commentary as you are going about that. So you, of course, will, they'll have you install some sort of software on your computer or your phone where you are recording your screen. Testing time, it looks like they use Skype. That's primarily what you'll be using, and you'll be communicating with someone. But Userlytics is more of, you are recording your screen and you're just speaking your commentary out loud, and they'll have a set of instructions that they will want you to go through as you are testing out each of these websites here. So that is pretty much the entire process on how you could start making money by testing out different products online, primarily, digital, like websites and apps is primarily what you'll be doing. But that's pretty much the entire process there. So all you have to do is, of course, you could go to testingtime.com or Userlytics, preferably both. Check out both of them if you are interested in this kind of stuff. And you just click on the sign up button. You go through the process, and then once you complete the process, you set up your profile. You take the test that they have you go through. Then that you're pretty much then you're pretty much accepted right in usually. And then from there, they'll alert you of new projects that are available, and then if you are qualified to take them, then you can complete the work. Again, it'll usually take you around 15 minutes, like maybe an hour at most, and then you'll get paid the actual amount there. So very exciting stuff. I was very excited to share this, but anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of these sites here. If you plan on signing up for them, let me know. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. But the problem with these sites is that while there is a pretty good earning potential, the problem with it in the long term is that you are still trading time for money. Now, my personal recommendation is that if you want to make money online, I highly recommend that in the long term, you aim to have passive income online. This is where you are working on your own terms, and whether you're working or not, you're still getting paid because you have built up an asset that is producing you money on a passive, recurring basis. So if you want to learn more about how to create a passive income online, then the first link in the description will give you access to my free training, and that will show you how to really build a long-term business online that will actually, allow you to create passive income online. So this is a 4-day training that I put together myself, and it goes over the 4 main things you must have in place to really build a long-term stable business online. So if that is something that you are interested in, you want to learn how to actually build a business online that truly supports you in the long term, and if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, promote products online, then that is pretty much what that free training goes over there. So if you are interested in learning more about that, definitely be sure to click the link down below, the first link, and get access to my free training through there. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, again, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And anyways, take care.